Yeah, I was surprised to see the Cats trailer this weekend. I sent in my audition tape. I felt very confident about it. I'm a perfect fit for Cats, the musical, the movie, any character. I'm a mezzo-soprano, 30 years of dance training, not what they teach you in schools. It's hard work to be a cat, but I take the study very seriously. There's just a language of a cat that I understand with my tool. There are so many horrors in this world right now. It makes you ask the question, what is important? And the answer is a movie about a bunch of trash cats competing for who gets to die. What would I have brought to the role? Stupid question. Authenticity. I'll pee in a box. I will barf on your wooden kitchen spoons. I'll only seem to know my name 40% of the time. That is the Samby promise. I don't know. I guess maybe they were just too cowardly to have a late night host to be a cat on the silver screen.
James Corden is actually in it.
What?
Yeah, James Corden. He's Buster for Jones. Sorry.